Om Shri Gurubhyo Nama. Namaskaram Guruji. Thank you so much for organizing this profound workshop on Lalitha Sahasranama. The approach you followed by providing us the split of the Nama as well as the meaning and the intended meaning by Vagdevatas has provided us wonderful tools to use as part of our sadhana to go beyond just mere mechanical chanting.
And you never left any stone unturned in helping us understand the meaning and help us contemplate on Devi and establish that connect with Devi. And today's concluding day puja, the whole Lalitha Sahasranama that we all did together was such a nice experience. I could feel the vibrations and the presence of Devi.
We are already Upasana of Mataji in our family for many generations. So this is very good, and I did with haldi and I put it on here and also my tongue, and it is very energizing, and actually I don't have any words only, and I think this is the best Lalitha Sahasranam I have ever experienced in my entire life.
The best part that came out of this was that there's a disease, an illness that I was going through. It's called dystonia, which caused great difficulty for me to write. I've been suffering with this for about another 7 to 8 years now. But as I was writing the Sahasranama chants, I just found that it is completely gone. Something that the doctors had said is impossible to clear. But it just disappeared. It was a miracle that happened.
The class was so engaging that even my ability to focus was way better than when I do any other normal activities. Thank you Guruji for delivering the lessons with precision and also while covering the classes in depth. In the class I understood why Mother Lalitha is up in the hierarchy and how powerful is Mother Lalitha.
After I have started taking your classes of Srividya and by practicing all the sadhanas, I have started seeing so many magical things that are happening in my life. It's just that my questions are answered. Whenever I need help, strangers even come up to me to help. These are just nothing short of magic to me.
We got to know the philosophical meaning, the internal meaning, the spiritual meaning of each and every name of Divine Mother. You told what is the secret behind each and every name, and through your humble guidance only we could realize that how Lalitha Mahaprasundari is called as a Nam Parayan Pita Nandi Vidya Nateshwari. We could realize the power of Divine Mother's name through your divine blessings.
Usually most of the Lalitha Sahasranama workshop which you see, it's like you just find the name and translation and that's about it. But very rarely do you get Upasaka's translation of those words. So that is where the depth of this Lalitha Sahasranam comes in. And you see the breadth of knowledge that we cross through with the in the Lalitha Sahasranama.
The support that you are giving is immensely beneficial, Guruji. So it is, I am just humble, and of course I am below your feet with all that blessings that I am getting. To connect them, I am getting to Srividya classes, to the Devatas are immensely beneficial.
I felt like it was blessing from Lalita Amma and time to know the meaning of it. The class was initially scheduled for only 40 minutes, but Guruji went to an extent like where he took the classes for over 2.5 hours to explain each meaning, which sometimes gave me goosebumps. It is unimaginable you have been learning it for past 14 years without knowing the meaning.
This workshop specifically brought me and certainly all the sadhakas who attended this 3-month-long workshop closer to the Divine Mother in her complete glory and her various forms. It is nothing but the grace of Devi and the Guru Parampara that I have had this opportunity to understand Devi better. Indebted to Guruji forever. Thank you, Guruji. Om Guru Bhyo Namah.